Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a tree. T for tree. Let's start with the trunk and branches. So these small turns that we are making are the branches. Make 3 to 5 branches. So just squiggly lines, long and back. And after that, join it with a big line. This is our trunk. Close it off with a curve. Now let's draw big curves. That's the top of our tree. It's very similar to how we draw a cloud, just big round curves. Join it all the way. Done. This is your tree. Looks nice, doesn't it? Now, how do we draw the letter T? It starts with a sleepy line and then a standing line from the center of the sleepy line. This is the letter T. T for tree. Excellent work. And that was very quick. See you in the next one.